Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamie, and today I'm gonna do a Beetlejuice look. Now, I know a lot of people have done this look this year, and it's been so popular, but I did do it 2 years ago, but I didn't have a YouTube channel then, but I'll put a picture up here. Let's see who all did it. Trisha Paytas did a Beetlejuice look. She's like in love with Beetlejuice the last year or two. I've been in love with Beetlejuice my whole life, since it came out in 1988, I believe, so I am not a poser. Then Patrick Star also did it, but you know what? He got Beetlejuice's name wrong. He called him Kevin Costner, and Beetlejuice, of course, is Michael Keaton. So I was like, girl, what is going on? When he was saying, he kept saying Kevin Costner, and I'm like, am I watching the same movie? But he corrected it. He's like, yeah, I said the wrong name and stuff in my video. And I'm like, yeah, you did, girl. And let's see here. Oh, Rich Lux also did a Beetlejuice. And most important, my friend, I think she probably did her look before anybody. Kimberly from the Makeup Mafia, she did Beetlejuice also. And I'm like, girl, we are on the same wavelengths. We have a lot of the same ideas before we even say it. It's so weird. But yeah, she did one, and I'll link her below so you can look at her. She did a good job. So anyways, enough with all the talking. Who does that? Not me. But anyways, let me address, I lighten my hair. Right now, this is basically the bleach. And I think it looks really cute, so I'm gonna leave it for a while. And then I'll probably bleach more here and make it blonder or something. But as of now, I bleached and I forgot. And then when you bleach your whole hair, the roots are gonna get lighter. I'm like, why? How did I forget that? But anyways, I got it done, or I done it myself, and it's done for now. I'm leaving it. But I got my base on, foundation, some kind of powder, and it kind of left black spots. I don't know, so I'm leaving it because Beetlejuice is a dirty type of person, so I'm just gonna leave that. And what else? Hopefully I look white enough. I did mix white in with my foundation, so hopefully that'll be good. I'm going with using this, and I'll probably also use the handbook for the recently deceased also. So if you want to see this Beetlejuice, it's kind of like a glam girl Beetlejuice, stay tuned. Okay, so I got the one that I use. That's what it looks like, and we're gonna start with the eyes. I don't think I even primed my eyes though, so let me put something on to prime my eyes. I'm just gonna put on the Instant Age Wind eraser. I'm just gonna put it like all over, probably even up here, because I'm gonna put brows on, and hopefully I got things in mind that I want to do, you know. Okay, so let's go into the handbook for the recently deceased. Let's start going in with Strange and Unusual, which is the black right here in the corner. And I'm gonna start stamping that on my eye. Well, actually, I think I might have to put on a black eyeliner first, just to kind of make it stick because it's black. So I'm just gonna go in with the a gel cream liner from ColourPop. And dark room. My life is a dark room. One big dark room. Right here. That's what Lydia says. And so we're gonna go right over that. I'm gonna try to make this part look a little better. Just try to make it glam. All the way up. I'm gonna try to put it all the way up to my brow. Hopefully I got my light bright enough for you all. I just woke up. Well, I've been up, but basically got up and got around. I'm having a lot of fallout right there, but we should be able to swoop it away. And like I said, Beetlejuice is a dirty character, so it don't matter. It really don't matter. Yeah, so in the movie, I noticed something the other day. I was watching it, and I've known this, but I kind of just realized that the reason they died was because of a dog. I love dogs, but that dog is not okay, what he did. It's not okay what he did. Let's see if I can brush some of this fallout away. And yeah, after I do this, I'm gonna have to put my brushes on clean. I'm gonna have to clean them, because Lord knows all these weird colors. I don't think I'm gonna put a bottom. Yeah, I think I will. I think I will put the bottom on here. I'm gonna just take the same black and just put it on the bottom too. I mean, also, the more messy you get with this is probably the better. Just saying. Let me take these off. And I will fix up the edges on this. NYX Jumbo Liner Pencil in Milk. And then I'm going to go over with the green. Hopefully that's a good shape. I don't really know. Hopefully that will look good. I'm going to take Beetlejuice right there in the middle. And I'm going to start packing that over. Okay, and then I'm gonna take that, well, should I do my lips first? Let's do my lips. I'm gonna take the cream gel liner again, and I'm gonna line my lips. And let's take the Everlasting lipstick in Wizard. It's what I used for my, what do you call it? Goth look. And let's see here. Let that dry. And I'm gonna put some green on top. The Beetlejuice. Well, let's not put Beetlejuice. Let's put on Miss Argentina, maybe. And let's see. I'm gonna put some of that gel liner in my waterline. And I'm gonna go ahead and put on some Lash Freak by Urban Decay. So far, so good. Okay, now I'm going to go around and put his little dirty patches on. So I'm gonna take Sandworm and some of the Strange and Unusual, and I'm gonna kind of put them on my fingers, and I'm gonna kind of just put them around like this, because he's a dirty little fella. Kind of that Strange and Unusual is kind of like a shimmer, and I'm just gonna put that around my face. Then I'm gonna take my Jumbo liner and milk again, kind of go over some spots. I will have a wig on. Let's kind of make a contour right here. And I need to sharpen that. Go back into the greens and just kind of pat them on, because it sticks right to that, it sticks right to the white base that I put on, the NYX pencil. Okay, wonder if I should put on lashes. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I got some lashes on. All I used was the Ioni lashes from the Dollar Tree. I got a lot of these, so these are big and they're kind of pretty. They're good for this type of thing, but yeah, they had a bunch of these. I got pretty much all of them, so I could do looks for Halloween. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera again, and I'll put on my little outfit and wig, and I'll be back. It's showtime. Am I qualified? Well, I attended Juilliard. I went to Harvard Business School. I lived through the Black Plague and had a pretty good time during that. I saw The Exorcist 167 times, and it keeps getting funnier every single time I see it. Not to mention, you're talking to a dead guy. What do you think? Think I'm qualified? Sandworms, you hate them? I hate them myself. But anyways, here's my wig and my little outfit. I just thought it would look cute. I put some, I saw Patrick Star do this, so hopefully it comes off. It's just mascara on my teeth. Looks like I got a little, but anyways, this is my Beetlejuice look. Hopefully you like this look. I think this is one of my favorite ones to create because it's like one of my top favorite movies of all time. So anyways, make sure you go down below and you give me a comment. I like talking to y'all. Make sure you follow all of my social medias, and that's all she wrote for this one. Bye.